Oh my god, in the same second I pressed live, the price went up. I mean, holy shit, in the same second I pressed it. The same second I press live, the price goes up. Holy shit. It just did 40 pips when I press live. What the fuck is that luck? Literally the same second I press live, the price goes up. Unfucking believable. Hello 80k, how you doing, brother? Andrew, welcome. Huga, welcome, bro. I mean, how fucking sad. I press live, the price goes up. That's very unfortunate. What's up, Bobby A? How you doing, buddy? I can't believe the same second I press live, the price goes up. That is fucking annoying. Oh, for fuck's sake. Today, no gain the stream. No, not today. Please check USD CAD. I don't trade it, so I don't want to provide something to you when I don't trade it. I can check gold, silver, and platinum for you. I actually haven't checked silver today. Oh, no end. No silver. Oh, it's the wrong one. No. I went live because the price went towards the buy zone, and then when I pressed share, it just went up. Very unfortunate. Round number 2, ladies. Yes, sir, Farah. Looking at any sales? No, I'm actually only looking for buys today. I was looking at the buy zone, but the price just decided to reverse the same second I went live. You're welcome, Rosetta. But yeah, literally the same second I pressed live, the price went up 40 pips. That was not the goal of the stream. The goal was to go live and then take the zone, but it just went up. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Delete this one. Oh, gold. Goalie. Pretty annoying. I mean, I still think gold can push down, so I'm still pretty positive about it. Let's just wait and see. I thought we were done for today because I caught 100 pips. Yeah, clown. I saw the first zone. The first zone made 100 pips. I saw it. But I'm looking for 0.9 as well, 0.7. Take a long position, and then we can end the day. What's the buy zone? It's 3409.7. So let's hope gold can stop going up again. I mean, I went live and then the price just went up the same second I went live. Annoying. But it is what it is, I guess. I mean, I might just, I might as well just go off again and then come back live when we get closer again. I only went live because we were starting to go down to the buy zone, but we just returned again to the range. How long to the next 4? Okay, we still have 4 hours, so the new 4-hour candle just opened. So I don't think we're gonna get filled, I guess. Oh, gold. Why are you doing me dirty? Why are you doing me fucking dirty? I literally press live and then the price goes up 40 pips. I mean, it's really unfortunate. Oh, mamma mia. I mean, I still think if we break 16, we should continue down. You came in too early, gold can smell you from miles away. That's true. That's true. I think gold got scared for a second. I was like, damn, fuck, he's alive now. We have to go up. I don't understand your chart. Is it gold chart currently? This is futures. This is futures. Futures. Hello Nancy, how you doing, buddy? Broker name? I mean, I use Topstep if you talk propfirm, and I use use-Vantage on a live. The first signal wasn't bad. Yeah, I mean, the first one did 100 pips. I've been observing the reaction on the 1 minute. I was tempting to buy, but didn't at the end. Yeah, we should have entered on the first one. I think the first one was right here. Oh. I think it was right here, and it did around 90 to 100 pips. But now we're just waiting for a better premium price to buy it, so the runner can be slightly bigger. That would be nice. Just gonna stay and see. I still think there's potential to get filled. What's the time frame? This is the 30 minutes. This is the 30 minute time frame. Hello Sonu, how you doing, buddy? Welcome, sir. What's your strat in a nutshell? I mean, I don't really have a word for it. I trade my own stuff that I've been using the past 6 years, so it doesn't really have a name. It's likely we're gonna take the wick before we move higher, so let's see what gold can do. I mean, it would be perfect if we could get filled before the highs. So also because that would be, how many pips would that be? If we break the highs, that would be 252, so that would be great. Yeah, it would be pretty nice. Time frame, this is the 30 minute time frame. So, I mean, if we are lucky, we still get filled. If gold doesn't want to behave, we're not gonna get filled. South Africa? No, I'm from Denmark. Sadly. Would you still consider following trends on higher time frames important regardless of your own strat? No, I don't really care about the trends on the overall time frame. I pretty much look at previous rejections the most. Previous rejections is pretty much my primary focus. Because previous rejection is also where the orders is a lot of the time. Come on, gold. It's slowly pushing down again. Come on, baby. Come to daddy. I really like your chart. I'm happy to hear that, bro. I hope you're gonna like the trade as well, which I think you will. I mean, I know you're gonna like the trades. As long as it's not a loss, you will be happy. I'm 100% sure of that. trade gold? Yeah, pretty much only gold. Where can I find your socials? I mean, I have YouTube. I used to be probably the biggest on TikTok, but TikTok decided to delete trading on their platform, so I lost like 100,000 followers in 4 months. So I pretty much just use YouTube now, and I've been off for like the past 4 months, so I'm actually just back now after a break. Thank you for the sub, Armini. I appreciate it. On TikTok we used to have like 2,000 people watching. That was crazy. But it doesn't matter how many watching. The only thing that matters is the trades itself. So. We just need gold to stop consolidating on the weekly chart, and we should be good. Explain the reason for 09. Is it from the playbook? It's not from the playbook. It is not. TikTok was fun. Yeah, it was pretty fun. The thing I liked about TikTok is that I could choose the music I wanted. How long have you been training? 6 years now, full time. Only training the past 6 years. Nothing else. Uplift, I do that as well, yeah. Do you trade London or NY? I actually trade all 3 sessions. I trade all sessions, it just depends on what time I get filled. So I don't look at specific times at all. Timing is where you make the money. Volume is where the money is being shown, if that makes sense. And there should be a Telegram in the bio where you can see all the previous trades. It's free to join. And you can check it all out for free. You will also be notified when I go live. I think in the bio or something there should be a link to the Telegram. Come on, gold. Looks like we are slowly coming back down. That would be perfect. That would be perfect. You're welcome, Uplift. Gold was insane in July, so much made. So much was made that month. You mean July this year? I mean, I think gold the past 3-4 months has been just consolidating. You just reverse every single bottom. So if you trade reversals, I mean, you should be doing pretty well the past 4 months. But if you're looking for some kind of runners, I think it's been hard to get a good runner going. You trade indices? No. There was a time on TikTok where I traded the NASDAQ. But I prefer gold. Come on, gold. Interesting. I've fell in love with US30, but she's toxic and unstable. I mean, gold is toxic as well. Gold is still heartbroken from her ex, which is silver, I guess. But she provides some good money once you hit the correct trade, which is all about. That trade you missed by 1 pip and skyrocket. I made 21k profit on that 5k lot size. Damn. I mean, if it's on demo, it doesn't really matter how much you made, to be honest with you, because it's, you know, kind of useless. But still nice to see you catch it. I mean, yesterday's buy zone was down here. It was 9 pips away from this 300 pip move. I think it was right here. That would have been 300 pips yesterday, but no. Didn't quite get filled. Come on, go. Jesus Christ. Good afternoon. So basically you wait for the gaps to be filled. It looks simple but effective. I mean, I don't really look at the gaps. Do you use indicators? No, sometimes I do. Sometimes. Gold is just consolidating. It's fucking annoying. It's kind of boring. I would really like if it could wake up. We're almost at 3,000 subs, by the way. That's pretty cool. Let's see in 10 minutes what the next 30-minute candle does. If it breaks the previous high, we're gonna go off. If it breaks the previous low, we're gonna stay and hope we get filled. Hopefully we get a long position going. And hopefully not a stop loss. That'd be sad. Is it realistic to go from 1k to 50k in 1 year of trading with good? I guess it is, yeah. I mean, it depends. When you say good risk management, you kind of have to be aggressive if you want to 50x your account. You cannot do 1% risk. You have to do higher risk. But it is possible in a whole year. I hate the word hope in relation to trading. I mean, I hope it goes down, so I hope. I mean, I don't get paid if you subscribe. The subscribers doesn't pay anything. It would be cool if it does though, but it doesn't. I don't even have ads on, so I don't even get ad revenue. I guess you don't trade on the low time frames. I mean, I can trade the 5 minutes. I have been trading the 5 minutes plenty of time. What do you think about TGR Bootcamp? I mean, you're delusional if you buy it. That's pretty much my thing to say. You're dumb if you buy his stuff, like straight up. I try to stay between 2 to 5%. Do you think even more aggressive? I mean, if you want to do 1k to 50k, you can do the math of how much you have to make. So you have to go higher risk. Depends on if you're, of course, if you are looking for swing trades with a tight stop loss, then it might be possible with 5%, I guess. But then you also have to catch some extremely long runs. What time is it in Denmark? It's it's 12:21. I've lost all my hope in relation to trading already, so ain't no hope gone. I used to hold and hope in reversals, never happened, lol. I mean, if that's how you see the word hope in trading, yeah, I see why you don't like it. Come on, gold. Come on. 7 minutes. How many trades do you take a day? It depends a lot. 0, sometimes 1, sometimes 2. Have you heard of SSI? This dude made 15 million gold in like 2 months. I was so shocked. I mean, it literally takes 5 minutes when you see someone if they are legit or not. So let me search his name. SCI. Hi bro, come on. There's no fucking way you believe in this fucking fool, dude. I have seen this guy many times before. He's literally such a dumbass. I can't believe people are watching this shit and believe it. Sorry, man. Like literally, I'm sorry to tell you. This guy is a fucking dumbass. Not you, but the guy you talked about. He documented every trade he took. Bro, when you understand trading just a little bit and you see the screenshots he shows with 50 lots on 3 random like re-entries and stuff, like you instantly know if the guy knows what he does, dude. Like instantly, if you know just a little bit about trading, you know it's fake as fuck. So there is nothing like documented. Like I can do the same thing. I can fake the same things tomorrow if I wanted to. I could also show people that I made fucking 100 and 400 billion tomorrow if I wanted. But people know it's fake because it's so easy to see it's fake. And also just look at the guy. Like, I'm not racist, but when you're a trader, you don't look like that, let me tell you that. Like, you actually are very professional and you have a mindset that doesn't make you look like that in real life, like looking like a fool. He showed his Trustseller too. It doesn't matter, bro. All of this shit can be fake. You can fake, well, what is it called? Like the most trusted platform. I forgot what it is. You can make fake accounts on that too. Like it's so easy to fucking fake. Time frame, this is 30 minutes. should see the traders in South Africa, bro. I have seen enough. I mean, I can't believe people are believing it. I mean, I've seen so much bullshit, and I can't believe people are believing it. Welcome, Winston. How you doing, buddy? Like, just for example, this picture he posted, 50, 50, 50, 50. That's 200 lot size. He hides his account balance, and he only posts after he's running on a demo account 300,000. Like, you just know it's fake. Nobody entered 200 lots, dude. Like, he's a fucking dumbass. What would you say the biggest thing that helped you become profitable? Not looking at YouTube, not looking on social media. Literally have your screen time. Screen time is the best thing you can have. Learn it yourself. Don't watch all these fools you watch on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. Don't watch their tutorials. Like, the best thing you can do is literally only spend screen time and then learn it yourself. Yeah, true, Pharaoh. It is very true. And also look how the people look. I mean, I know normally you don't say don't judge by the cover of the book, but when we talk about trading, which is 99% losing rate, like 99% of people lose, you kind of have to look at the person, how the guy dress and how the guy like is acting. Then it's very easy to know if you should trade or not. The more like I don't care type they are, the less they make in trading. I can guarantee you that. And all these kids who pretend to be traders, they all act like they don't care. Like, oh, I traded 5 minutes today. I don't really care. I'm going to the club. Like, when they act like they don't care, they are not traders. Like, not even remotely close. And it's just cringe to watch. I think it's cool to be like, I don't give a fuck. You know, I think you know what I mean. It's kind of embarrassing, but it's because people are believing it. Come on, girl. We're trading at 18 now. Let's see if we can continue. It looks like gold is waking up now, which is beautiful. Want to go into trading deeper? I have a few successful trades, but very Inconsistent. How can I develop a strategy? I feel like I don't have really reason written. I mean, to be honest, when you're a beginner, you shouldn't be focusing on a strategy. You should be focusing on screen time. Screen time is by far the #1 most important thing you can do. Like, I have more screen time than the monitor itself. Like, even when I don't trade, I can take months without taking a single trade, and I will still be looking at the chart every single day, because it's being imprinted in your brain how the chart and how the candles moves, if that makes sense. Like, intuition is a very big part of trading. You get that from screen time. Like, stay on the charts. Yeah, stay on the charts. You don't even have to enter a trade. You will still learn over time and years and hours behind. You will start to see patterns and stuff, and then you can slowly develop the strategy. Hello, Justin. How you doing, buddy? Welcome back. You have experience with stock trading? I trade penny stocks and small cap stocks some time back, like 3 months ago. But the thing about it, I have to be on the chart at a specific time, because that's where the news come out for the small caps companies. And I didn't have time to be on the chart that specific time when the news came, so I decided to take a break from it. But I'm gonna go back to it because it's very fun and volatile. Oh, your chart showing 16 when price is set, because this is futures. This is futures on Topstep, and the trade is gonna be taking on Topstep. You cannot take this trade if you're not on Topstep, because the risk on Topstep is $50. So you're day trading only. I look for more into midterm. I don't look at long-term investments. There's no reason to when you have leverage, bro. Like, why have a trade for, like, I don't know, 6 months when you can leverage and then do it in like 2 days? I think long-term investment is only if you have millions of dollars. In my opinion. Then it's up to you, of course. Come on, gold. What is Topstep? It's a prop firm that allows you to trade with only $50 for an account. So the worst thing that can happen is that you lose $50, which is basically nothing in trading. That's why I love them. Because you have to understand, the lower risk you have, the more leverage you have. And the more leverage you have, the more money you make, and the risk stays the same. So that's pretty much insane when you think about it. So that's why we in the group trade on Topstep. So we're basically not losing anything if we lose. And if we pass it and make a profit and pay out, we get pretty good payouts from what we paid. You know XAU Victor? He's another good gold trader. I mean, his name already screams. So let me check. XAU. So check. The first thing I see is him driving a McLaren in Dubai, but let's see where it goes. I mean, his bio is gold trader, learn my strategy. Interesting. Let's see his trading content. I also need to focus on the chart now, so I have to. Who has seal? I will trade you for it. So nobody wants to trade with you. Like, that's just money in out the window. If you're promoting your trading on a random stream, I mean, you're not a good trader. Sorry. Kind of bird. Gek, I have a free Telegram you can join. It's free to join. It's absolutely free for you to join, babe. You're monitoring buy zone, what you're looking for confirmations. I often enter before confirmations. That allows me to decrease the risk. Because if you wait for confirmation, you don't get the premium price, you know. So you want to be in before the confirmation because then you have a better entry. And then people's confirmation is your break-even stage. 4 trades in a row. We have been cooked by like 3 pips. That's true, yeah. It has been very close all the time. Been very close. But the thing is, we are making a staircase right now on the short sides, which is not a good thing. We want to take longs. We don't want to see staircase on the sells. Because staircase and a spike often means we break below the previous range. Because there's a sell signal we often use. So let's wait and see how it goes, at least. What's the number of the buy zone? It's 3409.7. No wick 2, yeah, exactly. This is actually a sell setup we used to take that we are now buying against, which is pretty fun but also annoying, to be honest. But yeah, this is a good sell setup. So kind of funny, I guess. I mean, it's gonna be fun to buy against our own sell pattern. But again, the good thing about Topstep, if we lose $50. That is very good. The worst case scenario, it's not even $50. It's 25. We're gonna get a Koenigsegg. I mean, not in Denmark, bro. I actually think there's zero Koenigsegg in Denmark. Like, they don't exist in Denmark because because of the Danish, taxes and stuff. Like, no people in Denmark can even get that shit. It's so expensive. You trading futures? Yes, this is futures. Going in with 2 contracts? No, I'm gonna use 1 contract when I enter. 1 contract. And then $800 stop loss, and then take profit is gonna be depending on how the price forms after. But we're pretty much buying against a good sell. So, I mean, let's see if it's worth it. Let's see how it goes. Kaita, I can send you a screenshot if you want. I think you want that instead of my words. Hello, Aju. How you doing, buddy? Come on, baby. We're trading at 14.4 now, so it's starting to look good. Then the question is the buy zone good? That's the next. It's a high risk. You know, I would not take this if I'm not on Topstep. This is only because of Topstep. I'm willing to put the zone so aggressively because we can only lose 25. Did you get into the GameStop? No, I don't really care about stuff like that because I know they always win. Like, Wall Street always win. You can't fucking fuck with these guys. Like, they will kill your fucking family to make a penny, you know? They don't care if they, like, Wall Street didn't lose, bro. The majority of people lost. Do you trade CPI? I mean, I don't trade the news releases, but I often use the volume to the squeeze worked mean. I mean, it depends on how you look at it. Like 99% of people lost money on buying the GameStop. Only a very, very few people made money on it. So, and you know, I don't see it how it works. And you also have to think about a lot of the Wall Street guys. They shorted, they bought the same thing. Like a lot of the Wall Street guys even bought it themselves. So if you look at like, if it's a Wall Street against the population, there was more Wall Street guys made money on it than the population, the normal people did. If that makes sense. I mean, all the Wall Street guys are also fighting against each other. So there were some Wall Street guys that got fucked, and then some got paid a lot. Because they are fighting to get all the clients, you know, so... Some of them work together, some of them don't. I mean, you can see Citadel managed to fucking make Robinhood stop all buying possible on their app because they own the majority of their stock. So they literally just call them to stop letting people buy GameStop. Like, that's how powerful these guys are. And they didn't go to jail because they're so powerful. They even own the fucking police, kind of. So it's like you can't really do anything about it. But I mean, it's kind of cool to be so fucking rich that you can just do whatever you want. I guess. Come on, gold. We're pretty close now. We're not far away. What exactly are you looking for when the price reaches your buy zone? I often look at the candle volume, like the volume of the specific candle that gets us filled. It looks like it made a double bottom. Let's wait and see. Candle volume, basically how much the last candle... No, the current one, sorry, the candle that will get you filled. You can see the movement on the current price, how it is. And then with some experience you can kind of see it. It's hard to explain. It comes with the experience. It was the same thing that happened here earlier today. I said live that I wait for the volume spike to come, but it happened so quickly I didn't even have time to react to it. But after it happened, it went up from that time. But so you have to be very focused and be ready to press the button. Otherwise, you're gonna miss it like 2 seconds. It's one time, Keita, one time. Is it in zone still valid? No, Yesterday's zone was down here at 95, so it didn't get filled by 8 pips or something, and then 300 pips up. But I'm not gonna take it today. But it's not valid. I'm not gonna take it. Trading with E? Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean, my friend? I mean, I can see on the forward that this looks like a 3-bar pullback. What side you said before? Topstep? I mean, I use Topstep and Vantage. Vantage. Those are the two I use. Vantage is for a live account, and then Topstep is for propfirms. Gold is not gonna move. Can we check, guys, if we have any delay? When I say now, can you press can you say now in the chat? Just I want to see if there's any delay on it. 1, 2, 3, now, and just wrote now when you hear it. Okay, so there's basically no delay. Okay, that's good. I was scared for a second. I was like, no man. What would be the entry price for Forex? I mean, we don't take this on Forex, we take it on futures. That's the whole point of this setup. This setup I would never take on Forex spot price. It's only because of Topstep I take this one. But we are basically just consolidating right above, which is annoying. It would be nice if we could come down. Kaita, you are very far behind. Like you're literally like, I don't know, 2 minutes behind. You need to reload the stream. Man. You're very behind. It's actually a good thing everyone should do. Just reload the stream. It should reset you to 0 delay. Trading with Vantage, that means you trade CFDs, so it's spot/Forex. If you trade futures, it's a different price you get on the right, and also a little bit different on the candle structure. So I shouldn't take this trade. I mean, if you're on Topstep, you can do it. If you use Topstep, you can take this. But But it also looks like gold is moving away again. Fuck's sake, gold. Just want that trade. I will give it 10 more minutes and see where it closes. If you start with 200 bucks, how much would you risk? I mean, with 200 bucks, I will definitely buy a Topstep, because then you have you can buy 4 accounts since it's 50 bucks. That basically means you have 4 tries to get a payout. So if I had 200 bucks, if you have that, you should buy Topstep. Otherwise, you're kind of fucked. In my opinion, live account $200 is kind of useless. I'm long on the 5 minutes. I mean, I wish you luck, buddy. Hope you get some profits. I'm still waiting for the buy zone. I think that's a good premium price to buy at, especially with the stop loss we have. It should be fine. We just have to hope that gold is gonna reach it. So the Topstep challenge lasts for how long? I mean, it depends on how long you spend to pass it. Does it reset monthly? I mean, if you're in profit, let's say you made 1,000, it doesn't reset the next month. You will still have your 1,000 profits on the challenge. It only resets if you lost the account. So let's say you lost your account, then you will pay. What am I talking? If you lost the account, it will reset next month. But if you made profits, it will not reset. It was 50 monthly. I mean, it's monthly if you don't pass it within a month, or if you fail it. Like if you pass it, you only pay once. It's only if you fail or you are spending like 2 months, so more than a month. I guess gold just fucking goes back up, I guess. We should have bought the double wick at the bottom. But I think the buy zone is still the best. Makes sense, I got 2 weeks. I mean, bro, you don't have to stress because 2 days is enough. Like on two good days in a row, but like Monday you get a good trade, and then Wednesday, then you pass it. So don't worry. You're gonna get it before a month. Now I understand it. I thought it was monthly regarding passing. No. It's only monthly if you don't pass it. It will reset, or if you didn't pass it within a month, which I think is totally fair for the price you get. You pay 50 bucks. I mean, 1 month should be enough. Pass. Also because you don't need 10%, you need 6%. You only need to make 6%. You don't even have to make 10%. So I think it's a totally fair price. Totally fair price. Now we just have to wait for gold to behave and stop running away. That'd be nice. Yeah, we didn't quite get filled. I mean, I'm still gonna go live. If we come back and reach the buy zone, we're just gonna take it live again. I'm just gonna go live. So even though we didn't manage to get all the way down, I'm just gonna come back live. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna give it 4 more minutes and see how we close. If we close bearish, I'm gonna stay the next 30-minute bar. So there's still weights. But if we close bullish, I'm just gonna go off. Then once we get close again, I'm gonna go live. Then hope we finally get filled together. So yeah, that's the game plan. Hello Siddiq, how you doing, buddy? Hello my friends. Have you guys checked if TikTok works again actually? I mean that would actually be interesting to see if TikTok works again, live streaming wise. If it did, that would be kind of cool. Wise price. It's because it's futures, and so we're trading futures. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna close bullish. This guy's live right now trading on TikTok. This guy as well. Is it possible? I'm pretty sure you go live and then 1 minute after you get close. It would be cool because then I can hear the music I want. YouTube music is kind of annoying. Yeah, it looks like gold is going away again, so I'm just gonna go off. Then once we get close again, I will go back live. Okay. So see you once we get close again. Hope that's okay, guys. See you, boys. See you later. We also have a sell zone, so if we push very hard, we're gonna take the sell zone. Okay. But see you later, guys. Love you all.